Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to Chemistry World, and today's our topic of lecture is magnetic materials. So magnetic materials are materials studied and used mainly for their magnetic properties. Though these type of materials are used only because of their magnetic properties. So the magnetic response of the material is largely determined by magnetic dipole moment associated with intrinsic angular momentum and spin of its electrons. A material response to an applied magnetic field can be characterized as diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, or antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic. So first of all, diamagnetic materials. Diamagnetic materials are those materials that are repelled by a magnetic field. An applied magnetic field creates an induced magnetic field in them, and in the opposite direction causes a repulsive force. So these materials are repelled by a magnetic field because they have a pair of electrons in an last orbital. So in contrast, a paramagnetic, the diamagnetic materials are repelled by any external magnet in this way. If it is a north pole of an external magnet and it is the south pole of an external magnet, and it is our diamagnetic material, so you can see that it is repelled by a magnetic field, by an external magnetic field. Paramagnetic materials. Paramagnetic materials are those materials which are weakly attracted by an externally applied magnetic field and form internal induced magnetic field in the direction of applied magnetic field. So in the absence of magnetic field, you can see that the electrons are moving here and there, their charges are in random motion, but in the presence of magnetic field, they have the induced magnetic field in the presence of the external magnetic field. It is a paramagnetic material, and the phenomena is known as paramagnetism. Next, we had to talk about a ferromagnetic materials. Ferromagnetic materials are those materials which exhibit a spontaneous net magnetization at the atomic level, even in the absence of external magnetic field. A ferromagnetic substance contains a permanent atomic magnetic dipoles that are spontaneously oriented parallel to one another, even in the absence of an external field. So when placed in an external magnetic field, ferromagnetic materials are strongly magnetized in the direction of the field. Ferromagnetic materials are strongly attracted to a magnet, and these materials will retain their magnetism sometime even after the external magnetizing field is removed. So this property is termed as Hesteroses. So today we had discussed magnetic materials, and it is just an introduction of magnetic materials. We shall make other video lectures on those materials. So stay tuned and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.